Created by MyGuide. How to use subscript and superscript in equations in Word. Let's learn how to use subscript and superscript in equations in Word. Just type what you want. For superscript, highlight the area and click on To option in the font section of Home ribbon. So just select what you want in the superscript and click on the icon in the font ribbon as shown via 1 and 2 below. Repeat for subscript. Type, select, highlight, click on the icon in the font section of Home ribbon. We got what we wanted. Note examples of what we want to do here. Woohoo! We got what we wanted. Now to insert an equation, simply go to Insert tab, choose Equation, and select what you want. Thank you. Created by MyGuide. Publish free videos via MyGuide. Just Google MyGuide.